Welcome to BPM Microsystems here at IPC APEX. I'm joined by James Halava. I hope I got that right, James.
Yes, you got it right. Thanks.
Global Sales Director, and it's good to see you again.
Good to see you, Trevor.
Yeah. So we're now working on the 9th generation programming system. A lot of increased speeds. Tell us a bit about what 9th gen brings.
Yeah, so 9th gen coming to market, so we support over 34,000 devices, bringing forward support from our previous generations. And one of the keys for 9th gen is programming speed. Mm-hmm. So for eMMC devices, for example, we're programming at the HS400 mode, which is a high-speed mode for those types of devices. So it lowers the number of sockets and the number of programming sites our customers need to program those devices.
Okay. And do you have any numbers on the sort of programming speeds you get up to?
Yeah, with the HS400 mode, we can program up to 200 megabytes per second for program verify on those types of devices. So it really reduces the overall time it takes to process those devices, which is really important for our customers. Absolutely. They want to do it in as little a time and with as few sockets and equipment investment that they can. Right, so this really helps lower the cost.
Yeah, and obviously in a way it's not going to be a bottleneck for production.
Right, right, that's key.
So what about teaching? I believe you've got a system called WhisperTeach. How does that work?
That's right. We're really excited about WhisperTeach. In fact, at the show, we have won Best in Show for NPI, new product introduction for WhisperTeach. Mm-hmm. So what WhisperTeach does is allow our customers to remove the operator from the process of teach. So WhisperTeach can find the exact height of the device using a patent pending technology that we developed to use the vacuum system to detect the exact height of the device. So the operator just has to teach X and Y and hit Auto Z, which is WhisperTeach, will come down and find the exact height, creating a perfect teach, which will then run the job accurately and reduce the time to set up the job. We looked at a scenario where somebody's setting up a job with 16 sockets doing a normal teach where the operator has to come down and teach Z. We save about 30 minutes in a setup time. So it's a good time savings, removes reliance on the operator, and it gets a good, accurate teach every time.
Good. Keep it simple.
Yes, try to make it easy. That's what our customers want. Right. And the operators love it because they spend less time. It's easier for them to do it. So we get feedback from the operators. They love a feature like that. That really gets us excited, and we're happy that we won the award at the show.
Congratulations on the awards.
Thank you.
That's two you actually got. You got the Service Excellence and the NPI. So well done.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think we're most happy to see the award for customer service. That's one of our key focus for taking care of our customers and being recognized for that. So.
Okay, great. Let's take a look now at some of the technology, because I believe you're using a hybrid laser.
That's right. On the 4000 series 4900, we've introduced a hybrid laser that introduces some capabilities that you won't find in other solutions. So it has the ability to monitor the power. So we always know what the power is for the device being marked, and it can actually self-calibrate. So with traditional lasers over time, the power will decrease, and that will reduce the mark clarity. And so with the thermal pile monitor, we can actually monitor and adjust at the beginning of the job to make sure that the power is marking at what the operator set it at.
It's maintaining consistent marking.
That's right.
Basically.
It also has the ability to inspect the device at the point of mark, so we can look at the mark that was laser marked and check that it is where and what we expect it to see, so that you don't have any devices passing through that don't have the mark that you intended.
Right, okay. So my final question to you is really about support. How do you function your CSP support?
So CSP is something that we've spent a lot of time on, and that has a lot to do with WhisperTeach as well. The smaller the parts get, these chip scale packages get very hard to handle. So we've, on the 4900, we've introduced a new vision system, a new pneumatic system, incorporating WhisperTeach, so that we can see the device and place the device and allow the customer to teach that height and that's critical to handling these small devices.
Right. That's incredible. Well, James, I want to, obviously you're always innovating here at BPM. It's nice to see new things coming onto the market, and I want to thank you for joining us today.
Okay, thank you, Trevor, very much.